I'd like to show you tips to make a bow with one-sided ribbon. It's same as making a basic bow. At first, with the right short end ribbon, make a loop and tail you'd like to make. Just make the tail a little longer. Fold this point and put on where you'd like to make a bow. With the left end, wrap around it under the box to the front. The left end should be underneath of the right end. The right end goes over and through under the left end ribbon at the point. Pull up the right end ribbon pointing in the upper right hand corner. Tie it firmly, make a loop with the left end, showing the face side toward the upper right. Take the right end ribbon, go around the loop 1.5 round, and go to the front and tuck under the knot. Then pull it out to the left. Pull out both loops. For tightening it, pull out the bottom side of both loops. Adjust the bow nicely. Now you have a bow only show the face side. At the end, cut both tails as desired. Practice with smile makes perfect.